what was the big impact of Ethiopia? I mean, it's easy. It comes in one word. It's people. It's the people we met, and as well as the people, it's the church. The church, the Carly Hayward Church, and the organisation of that church that was absolutely amazing. So we flew into Addis Ababa, and we arrived, and we went through towns. They were called towns, but when you looked at the buildings, they were nothing like you would see in the UK. Mud and wattle and corrugated roofs and thatch roofs. They were praying for each other. They were taking responsibility for each other. Training was going in, so the Carly Hayward Church would put people in to help them with literacy and numeracy, and they would put people in to help them with family planning or how to set up small businesses. And what was really exciting was this concept of self-help groups that Tearfund has really given to the Carly Hayward Church to develop within Ethiopia, and there's plenty of statistics around, but they've gone from 5 self-help groups to, I suppose, thousands now. And what's great is seeing many of the women, I have to say, taking control of their lives. They didn't understand what saving was all about, and the Carly Hayward Church has helped them save, sort of invest in the future and invest in themselves. Training can go into those situations. The immersion experience was to live with a family for 48 hours. And the interesting thing was lying at night in my mozzie tent, hot, in this room that had no windows, electric light on all the time, but the house was just one room, so there was a curtain between me. I mean, they really blessed me because they gave me their double bed, and they all slept on the floor, and so did the interpreter, who was an evangelist in the local church. But I was in my mozzie tent, and I could hear the rats running across the ceiling. In terms of prayer for Ethiopia, I would say, first of all, pray for the Carly Hayward Church, because that has 7 million members in that country and is rapidly expanding. And I suppose what's exciting about Ethiopia is the future. The church has really got involved in helping people get out of poverty.